cloudy at Champaign, Decatur, Lincoln.
I'm on, Lincoln. You gonna send it?
And once again at 10 a.m. in Bloomington, under cloudy skies, the temperature was 67 degrees. The time is currently 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Well, do it then.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ 65 in Bloomington. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
I think I might be sitting over in that camera, actually.
And surrounding areas of central Illinois. West of today, partly sunny. A chance of drizzle late this morning. Highs around 80. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the low 80s.
You're losing signal. I hope not.
Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, but clearing.
Yeah.
Lows in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Saturday through Sunday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Monday through Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows around 60. Again, the forecast for Bloomington, Normal, and surrounding areas of central Illinois for the rest of today, partly sunny. A chance of drizzle late this morning. Highs around 80. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. The time is currently 11:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Come on, send it.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ 65 in Bloomington. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Bloomington, Normal, and surrounding areas of central Illinois. Rest of today, partly sunny. A chance of drizzle late this morning. Highs around 80. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
You ever pull on a 7 W?
Yeah, I got the phone.
Lows in the upper 50s.
Okay.
Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny.
Thanks, Skip.
We now return to regular programming.
Holy fucking shit, let's go!
Yeah,
we did it!
Fuck
yeah! We did it!
Rest of today.
We did it!
Dude, as soon as I heard it, I'm like, oh fuck, here we go.
Yeah.
Around 80.
Dude, that was awesome.
Winds 10 to 15
Holy
miles an hour.
shit.
Yep, we did it.
Biggest RWT.
Here it is.
How was that?
That was amazing.
Yeah. RWT history.
10 miles an hour.